care. In general conversation, care refers to feeling affection or providing physical maintenance for someone. In law, it represents a strict legal standard of required conduct. Care is the degree of caution and prudence that a reasonable person would exercise under specific circumstances. It is also frequently referred to as the standard of care or the duty of care. This concept is the foundational element of negligence claims across the US, UK, and Australia. The law expects individuals and businesses to act responsibly to avoid causing foreseeable harm. The required level of caution fluctuates depending on the situation and the relationship between parties. Professionals like medical doctors or engineers are held to a much higher standard of care than an average person. If someone fails to meet this required standard, they legally breach their duty. For example, a grocery store manager must maintain a safe environment for shoppers. A customer drops a bottle of oil, creating a slick puddle in an aisle. A reasonable manager would immediately cordon off the area and mop up the spill. Instead, the manager ignores the hazard for hours to take a break. A shopper slips on the oil, severely fracturing their wrist. The manager failed to exercise reasonable care, making the store liable for the injuries.